FIA World Endurance Championship in the GTP class of IMSA. Lamborghini SC63, beyond racing.
Introducing the Lamborghini SC63, the first hybrid endurance racing prototype. The first ever hybrid endurance racing prototype, unveiled at the prestigious Goodwood Festival of Speed. Designed to compete in the Hypercar class of the 2024 FIA World Endurance Championship and the GTP class of the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship Endurance Cup, this cutting-edge vehicle is set to make a significant impact on the racing world. Partnered with renowned Italian team Iron Lynx, Lamborghini Squadra Corse has assembled a stellar lineup of world-class drivers from the realms of Formula One and endurance racing to pilot the South Carolina 63. Together, they will challenge for glory at iconic events such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans, 24 Hours of Daytona, and 12 Hours of Sebring. The South Carolina 63 is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to electrification, aligning with their roadmap for hybridization across their entire model range by the end of 2024. Stefan Winkelmann, Lamborghini chairman and CEO, emphasized the significance of this milestone, stating that the South Carolina 63 represents the brand's vision for the future of high-performance mobility and showcases their dedication to pushing the boundaries of motorsports. Under the hood, the South Carolina 63 boasts an all-new 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine meticulously developed by Lamborghini engineers exclusively for this racing program. The engine's innovative cold V configuration ensures optimal cooling and serviceability while reducing mass and enhancing the car's center of gravity. Paired with a hybrid system, the South Carolina 63 delivers a regulated power output of 500 kilowatts, 680 CV, managed by a Bosch electronic control unit. With complete freedom to customize certain aspects of the car, Lamborghini engineers have fine-tuned every detail. The monocoque, developed and built in collaboration with Ligier, showcases the brand's commitment to lightweight design and ease of service. The SC63's aerodynamic bodywork, created by Lamborghini's Centro Style design department, proudly exhibits the iconic Y-shaped lights and striking brand styling cues. The SC63's engineering and development have focused on delivering top-level performance, tire grip, balance, and durability. The car's cooling system, featuring 8 radiators, has been meticulously designed to withstand the extreme demands of endurance racing. Additionally, the braking system strikes a perfect balance between weight, reliability, and effective cooling. As Lamborghini's LMDH car comes to life, the knowledge gained from motorsports will be applied to future production cars, ensuring a seamless transfer of technology. The South Carolina 63 represents Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the limits of both performance and sustainability. Join Lamborghini on this extraordinary journey as they revolutionize endurance racing with their hybrid prototype, combining electrification, performance, and the unmistakable spirit of Lamborghini. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to witness the South Carolina 63 in action.